Hey there! Experiencing a black screen on your Sharp TV and not sure how to fix it? This week, I'm here to guide you through fixing that daunting black screen on your Sharp TV and getting it back to running smoothly. In this guide, we'll cover several troubleshooting steps to help you diagnose and fix the black screen issue on your Sharp TV. Implementing these solutions can often restore your television's function without the need for professional intervention. Step 1. Check the connections. Before diving into more complex troubleshooting, start by checking your TV's connections. Ensure all cables, including the HDMI, power, and other input connections, are securely plugged in. Sometimes a loose or damaged cable can cause display issues. Inspect the cables for any visible damage as well and replace if necessary. After securing the cables, turn on your TV and see if the issue persists. Step 2. Power cycle the TV. A simple power cycle can solve many electronic issues, including a black screen. Begin by turning off your Sharp TV and unplugging it from the power source. Wait for about 1 to 2 minutes. This pause allows any residual charge to dissipate, effectively resetting the system. Plug the TV back in and power it on to check if the black screen problem is resolved. Step 3. Adjust input settings. Sometimes the issue lies within the TV's input settings. Use your remote to cycle through the input options to ensure your TV is set to the correct source. Press the input button on your Sharp TV remote and select the correct HDMI or AV input that corresponds with your device connections. Step 4. Update the TV firmware. Outdated firmware can lead to performance issues, including a black screen. Check if there are any available updates for your Sharp TV. Navigate to the Settings menu, find the option for Software Update, and follow the on-screen instructions to update your TV. Regularly updating your firmware not only fixes issues, but also enhances the TV's performance and adds new features. Step 5. Perform a factory reset. If the above steps haven't resolved the issue, a factory reset might be needed. Caution: a factory reset will restore your TV to its original settings, erasing all customizations. To perform a reset, access the Settings menu, select System, and choose Reset. Follow prompts to complete the process, and then recheck for the black screen issue. Step 6. Inspect the backlight. If your TV powers on but no backlight is visible, the issue might be with the screen's backlight. This task could require a professional repair or replacement. However, you can perform a basic check by shining a flashlight on the screen to see if images are faintly visible. If so, you might be dealing with a backlight malfunction. Step 7. Contact customer support. If all else fails, it's time to reach out to Sharp's customer support for professional assistance. Describe the troubleshooting steps you've already taken when you contact them, as this information can speed up diagnostics. They might offer additional solutions or suggest sending the TV in for service. Fixing a black screen on your Sharp TV doesn't have to be daunting. By carefully following these steps, you can often diagnose and resolve the issue independently. Remember to always prioritize safety, especially when handling electronics. If you're ever uncertain, it's best to consult with professionals. Now you know how to get that Sharp TV back in action. Enjoy your shows and movies once more without a hitch.